Ever waited 10 minutes for a Windows update to finish right before starting a meeting? Well, what if your PC worked for you, not against you? Hey guys, it's Aaron from Linux Beanie, and today we're diving into 10 reasons why you should leave Windows behind and finally embrace the freedom of Linux. Number 1, no hidden costs. Linux is free, like free. You don't have to pay for it. No subscriptions, nothing like that. No upgrade fees either. And most productivity apps have open source alternatives. 2, Linux is super lightweight. It can revive old hardware. I've got Linux running on some really old 6, 7, 8-year-old laptops, and it runs like a dream. Great for people who are tired of Windows eating up memory with background tasks. 3, privacy and security. Linux doesn't have any adware. It's not selling your data, which allows users to actually control their data. 4, total customization. Check out these themes. You can make Linux look like macOS, Windows, or something completely different. It's in your hands. 5, no forced updates. You update the system on your own terms. No middle of a task and Windows decides to pull an upgrade on you. 6, open source power. Linux is fully customizable. Every part of Linux can be inspected, modified, and improved. 7, gaming is no longer the biggest problem. Sure, some really large games like Call of Duty and Fortnite don't work on Linux yet, but using Proton and Wine, I've got most AAA games to work on Linux without any issues. I use Linux Mint, and it has been super simple to play any of the games that I want to play. Number 8, community support. There are forums, Discord pages, Reddit, and these are actually humans who help, sometimes, not robots. Number 9, efficiency and stability. Linux can literally run for months without a reboot or an update, and it's gonna be fine. Perfect for servers, developers, and daily workstations. And 10, learning and empowerment. Using Linux helps you actually learn about how a computer works. Sometimes you have to dig into the weeds to get something to work, and every single time you do, you learn something a little bit more about how your computer runs and how computers work. I think using Linux is a beautiful learning experience. If you're nervous about trying it for the first time, boot it up using a live USB, and then you can just go back to whatever operating system you had on there before if you don't like it. What's your biggest Windows frustration? Let me know in the comments. Also, what distro would you like to see me cover next? In a future video, I'm gonna show you the pitfalls of Linux as well, and what kind of not to expect out of switching from Windows to Linux. So please like this video if you enjoy this kind of content, and subscribe for more Linux Beanie adventures, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.